there guys, I've actually done a video before on stripping wire, obviously with a standing knife. I've invested in one of these machines. You can actually get these off eBay for roughly £30, and then you've got your postage and packaging on top. It's actually from this company. I've got it from. I'll just show you how good they are. I started off with 13 kilo. That's for 13 kilo of wire for me to weigh that in as is, and I've got £14.10. So I've took it out of casing off, it took me 15 minutes, and obviously you've got your adjustments on here. I've adjusted it down to get this off. I'll show you how to do this. Tricky to feed it through to start off with, but once it starts going, it's alright. Make sure you keep it straight. I know this is grade 2. It'll strip bright wire. It strips all different sizes of wire. I always had a problem stripping this with a standing knife because it would fray, stick your fingers. So drop it on the piece. As you've seen there, I fed it down and through. Seems to be easier. Must have missed the first piece. First bit of it. See, wire again. What I'm going to do is do all the bucket, find out how long it's going to take me, and then obviously get a price on what I got, weigh it in, as it were, went like that. Thanks for watching. The last thing I'm going to say is it's not an advertisement. I've not been paid for this to show people for advertisement, so please like, comment, and see you again.